Greetings to you, our dearest viewers. This is Ebonyi People TV bringing you the latest updates straight from the Guardian newspapers. We have some exciting news out of Enugu State today that's sure to get you buzzing. Okay, let's go into the streets of Enugu State and see for ourselves. Governor Peter Mbah has just signed a monumental partnership deal worth 40 billion naira for the revival of the long-abandoned Sunrise Flour Mills located in Emene area of Enugu State. This flour mill, which has been dormant for over 39 years now, originally ceased operations in 1985, just 2 years after it was set up in the Emene Industrial Layout back in 1983. So after starting up this factory, it only worked for 2 years, after which it went dormant. It stopped working for over 39 years now. But hold on to your heart, because this news is big. The deal was inked on Tuesday at the Enugu State Government House, marking a bold move to breathe life into this facility, this particular factory that we're talking about. The agreement sees Jelfa Nigeria Limited coming on board with a hefty 60% equity stake and a planned investment of 24 billion naira, while the Enugu State government will contribute 40% to the project. This revival is nothing short of a game changer for Enugu State, you can all agree. Just last month, the state secured a whopping 100 billion naira deal with Pragmatic Palm Limited. So things are definitely heating up in Enugu State. And as I would always say, Enugu State Governor Peter Mbah is not here to play. This man sure means real business. If you missed that story about how Enugu Governor secured a whopping 100 billion naira deal with Pragmatic Palm Limited, please make sure to check out our previous videos for all the juicy details. Governor Peter Mbah's commitment to transforming Enugu State is crystal clear. He's not just talking the talk, he's walking the walk. As he puts it, when we say Enugu State is open for business, we mean it. The governor's vision has clearly struck a chord, even catching the eye of Jelfa's chairman, who praised Mbah's forward-thinking approach. So, what does this mean for the future of Enugu State? Could this be the start of a new era of economic growth and development? How will this massive investment impact the local community and job market? We want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this update. We are here to bring you the latest and the greatest, so always stay tuned. Also, before we round up, do you have a birthday coming up soon? DM us with your pictures 2 days in advance for a special shout out on the channel, and kindly do that to the number now showing on your screens. Are you also planning an event, be it a wedding, burial, anniversary or festival? We at Ebonyi People TV are ever ready to provide top-notch coverage both within and outside Ebonyi State. Just call or WhatsApp us on the number showing on your screens. If you also love our content and want to support us, consider buying us a coffee, breakfast or making a voluntary donation. Every little bit helps us continue delivering amazing content just for you. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll catch you in the next video.